Hello class 8. Today I will be starting a new chapter in Rapid and the name of the chapter is All's Well That Ends Well. So take out your books, page number 54. Bartram is the name of a character who is a Count of Roselli, had newly come to his title and state by the death of his father. So after the death of his father, Bartram was elected on his position. The King of France loved the father of Bartram. So the King of France, he loved Bartram very much. And when he heard of his death, he sent for his son to come immediately to his royal court in Paris. When he heard of his death of the king, he immediately called for his son, that is Bartram, to the royal court in Paris. Intending for the friendship he bore the late count to grace young Bartram with a special favor and protection. He really had good relation with Bartram's father, and he wanted to, carry it forward. So he really wanted to do that. Bartram was living with his mother, the widowed countess, when Lafayette, an old lord of French court, came to conduct him. So Bartram was living with his mother when and the mother was a widowed countess. When Lafayette, another character, he had come in the French court in order to take him to the king. The King of France was an absolute monarch. He was the king and he was a very good king. And the invitation to court was in the form of a royal mandate or positive command. So a king had ordered, how could he not go? He definitely wanted to go and he had to go, which no subject of what high dignity soever might disobey. So nobody could disobey the king's order. Therefore, though the countess in parting with his dear son seemed the second time to bury her husband of whose loss she had so lately mourned, yet she did not keep him a single day, but gave instant orders for his departure. So he gave an instant order for his departure because obviously she cannot do anything. This king had ordered, although it meant after the death of the father, losing her son, after the death of the husband, losing her son would also be equally losing her. But the mother couldn't do anything. She allowed her son to go. Therefore, seemed the second time to bury. Next, Lafayette, who came to fetch him, tried to comfort the countess for the loss of her late lord and her son's sudden absence. And he said in a countess' flattering manner that the king was so kind a prince she would find in his majesty a husband, and that he would be a father to her son, meaning only that the good king would befriend the misfortunes of Bartram. So Lafayette, who was the one who came to fetch Bartram, and what happened, that when the countess was sad, Lafayette came and tried to consolidate her. Lafayette told the countess that the king had fallen into sad melancholy, that there was a problem with the king. The king was suffering from an illness which is pronounced by his physicians to be incurable, which was supposed to be incurable. The lady expressed great sorrow on hearing this account of the king's ill health, and the lady felt very sorry for the king, and she wished the father of Helena, who is a young gentlewoman who was present in the attendance on her, well living. And then she was in great sorrow. In that time, there was again one character named Helena, whose father had died, and she was staying with this countess. She heard this, that she doubted not that he could have cured his majesty of disease, and she told Lafayette something of the history of Helena. And then the countess said the Countess said Lafayette about Helen. Am I clear? So in this part, what are the things that we can come across? First one is that Bartram was the Count of Rosalian. Next, he got the position because after his father's death, he got Bartram was actually living with his mother, okay, and the king ordered him to come. He really had good connection with Bartram's father, right? Lafayette came to fetch him. Lafayette came to fetch whom? Bartram, in order to take him to the court. Then the Countess was sad. In the same way, and she felt that after losing her husband, losing her son was equally sad and sorrowful for her. So that time, Lafayette kind of consolidated her that everything would be okay. So Lafayette comforted her. Lafayette comforted this lady. There was another character named Helen, about which the Countess said to Lafayette. Countess said to Lafayette, and what else did we do? We come to know in part 1 that the king was having a problem. So as students, I'll just keep this much for today. In my next video, I shall continue with the next portion of this chapter. Thank you.